welcome back to the Kosher Vlogger Auto News channel. So actually today I have come with some more special news actually. So the first and foremost news is the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga now comes in the CNG version. So that's a very good thing because a lot of people these days are fed up of petrol and your diesel variants, and now some people prefer the CNG, so that's a very good thing. So the Maruti Suzuki sells over 1 lakh CNG vehicles this year, so that's a very good news. Secondly, we have that Hyundai Creta. You might have known that the Hyundai Creta had come up with its new look or its new variant actually, so you can say a facelift of the Hyundai Creta. So in the month of May, that was one of the highest sold vehicles, so that's a very good news for the Hyundai Creta, because usually the Maruti Suzuki prospers in case of sales, but this time Hyundai is. Then we have a bad news also. So the Toyota company has hiked its prices from June 1st actually. So that's going to be a very big issue, because already the vehicles had a lot of hiking prices these days, and already the Toyota Innova and the Toyota Fortuner were costly. Now it made it more costlier, so that's a very big problem actually. And then we have another good news from Toyota itself, that is 2021 Toyota Fortuner facelift is coming in the market. So the facelift looks pretty damn good compared to that of the previous version. So nothing much changes except the front grille and the headlight and the tail light. So that's a very good news actually from them. And another news from the Hyundai company itself, new Hyundai cars gets benefit up to rupees 1.05 lakhs in June, so that is a very good thing for them actually. And the TVS company has come up with its new scheme this time, that is, it is gonna give you a more affordable prices, that is, you can pay the price of your vehicle later. Right now you can just buy it, and within 6 months you can pay the price, so that's a very good thing actually. Then we have another news from Mahindra, that is BS6 Mahindra XUV 300 diesel manual fuel economy is relieved, so that is a very good news again. So this week, apart from new launches, there has been no new info actually. So I'm checking whether we can get some good useful news actually. So the Kia Seltos is one of the best vehicles. So now Kia has made its initial price from rupees 9.8 lakh ex-showroom, so that is another good thing. And Honda City hatchback, actually Honda City is planning for its hatchback version, so it is spied in India for the first time, so it's not proven that it may be the same car, but still there are chances that it is the same Honda City. And Maruti Suzuki posts sales of 13,800 units in May 2020. So the thing is, the people who have already received their vehicles in the month of May, as we all know that April was completely locked down, so that is a good thing for Maruti sellers actually. And recently the Maruti Suzuki's new model, that is the Brezza, has been clicking a lot. So about the Brezza, I have heard that it is one of the best selling vehicles in case of the Maruti Suzuki, and its rival may be the Hyundai Creta, which is existing side by side along with that, but Hyundai Creta comes at a much more higher price compared to the Brezza. So probably in my upcoming videos or upcoming vlogs, you will get more and more info on vehicle comparison. So I'm soon gonna start up with the vehicle comparison. So I'll compare one particular car with another of its same level and same price tag, so that our viewers get more and more information on that. So kindly subscribe my channel and stay on with me in the Coastal Vlog Auto News channel. So keep watching for every Sunday updates. Until next time, bye.